Oh, let's go. Good morning, Mamiga. Meet my husband, my big man, Honey Bunny. He's too tall. So, yeah. For today's video, guys, story ko, I mean, sabihin ko sa inyo kung paano at saan ko ba nakilala yung husband ko. So, it's like 2 years ago, I met my husband through common friends. So, mayroon siyang friend sa Facebook na friend ko rin. So, this is lady, I called her Mana. So, she told me that kung okay lang daw na magkaroon ako ng chatmate na isang girl. Sabi ko naman, okay lang kasi single naman ako. So, I'm ready for that. Right? So, yun. Ako yung friend request ka dyan. Noon ni-add friend ko siya. So, luckily, in-accept niya naman yung request ko. So, yun. And then, we started chat like, hi, hello, how are you? So, basic. You know what I mean? Pero ako say, guys, I want to be, prepare ko yung mag-video call para makilala at makita kita kung yung profile mo hindi fake. Kasi, di ba, uso ngayon, uso sa, kahit saan naman talaga is, yung iba yung profile mo, pero, itsura ng profile mo, iba rin pala yung sa personal, hindi pala ikaw. So, maraming scammer, maraming fake profile. So, ayoko nang gano'n. So, prepare ko talaga yung video call. So, yun. Nag-start kami chat, video call, and text. So, it's like, nag-start kami, it's just like, December 30, 2022. So, 2 years ago. So, ako, bumalik na ako ng Iloilo kasi nga nag-work ako as a accounting staff sa isang private company. Pero while I'm in Iloilo, kaya nagwo-work, nag-chat, nag-video call pa rin kami ni Jan. So, ang conversation namin continue. And then, he told me na gusto niya pumunta ng Pilipinas. So, hindi pa ako naniniwala doon, guys, because foreigner, malayo, kasi hindi ko naman sinasabing lahat, pero amo na, malay mo ba kung seryoso o hindi. So, yun. Pero, March, sinan niya through messenger yung passport and then yung ticket niya na pupunta nga talaga siya ng Pilipinas. Sabi ko nga, seryoso talagang taong to. So, yun. But, meron kami agreements that, okay, you come here in the Philippines, I will be your tourist guide. Di ba, Ani? I will be the tourist guide. So,
tourist guide.
Yeah, I am the tourist guide. So, yun. Pero at that same month, March, ni-end na rin ng company yung kontrata ko. So sad to say, no? Hindi na regular si Mega nyo. Pero okay lang naman. I mean, hindi ako totally nang upset. Hindi ako yung nagkakry-cry kasi sad ako kasi wala na akong work. Pero, kasi alam ko, positive lang tayo. Makahanap rin ako ng another work. So, yun. So, yun, nang start, and then, at the same time, parang hindi ko naman sinasabi yung blessings na nawan ako ng work, no? Pero para sa akin, parang time ko na rin na makilala si Jan ng lubusan. So, we can spend together and we can know, we can be like, you know what I mean? To know each other better, you know. So, yun, pumunta kami, and then sinundo ko sa Iloilo Airport, no? It's like, March 28, so sinundo ko. 2023, sinundo ko sa Iloilo Airport. Parang awkward pa ngayon, guys, kasi nga, strangers. Tapos, ang tangkad niya, 6'4", and then ako 4'11", so, merong awkwardness, mahihiyain pa si Mega niya, so, yun. Kasi hindi ako yung tulad ng ibaya na binibidyo yung pag-meet ng family nila. Pero hindi ko naman ina-against yung gaya, so, kasi, ano nila yun so gusto nila yun Ako kasi mas prefer ko yung makita tayo in person. So yun, hug and kiss lang sa chick yung nangyari sa akin. So yun, pumunta na kami sa hotel which is binook ko bago sa pumunta dito ng Pilipinas, guys. 1 room with 2 beds yun, guys, kasi nga tourist guide lang ang peg nyo ng time ng Mega nyo. So yun. So ano muna tayo, limit super gentleman yung si Jan that time. I mean, until now, he really gentleman. and respectful, man. So yun, nung spend kami ng Boracay, honey, right? 5 days and 4 nights na in Boracay. So, like, we're so happy kasi nga, nakilala namin ng isa't isa, and then, like, yun, shopping a little. mahal sa Boracay. Pero, happy siya, and then, happy rin naman ako. So, yun. And then, after that, umuwi na ako ng Negros kasi nga, wala na akong work sa Iloilo. So, while in Negros, ni-meet naman ni John, ng hobby ko ngayon, yung family ko doon sa Pulpandan, which is my municipality. So, and then, pumunta rin kami another beach, di ba, honey? Sa Sipalay. Sa Easy Diving, recommended. Magandang place. Twice kami pumunta doon. So, maganda doon. So, and then after that, meron... Yeah, and then we spent also Easter with my whole family in one of the resort in Bacolod. So, masaya and very happy. And then, yung time na yun, kasi pauwi na siya, babalik na siya ng US April. So, like, 15 days lang siya sa Pilipinas. First time niya pumunta, 15 days lang. So, yun, bumalik siya ng US. And then, mayroon na kaming, like, we already into serious relationship na, honey, na. And then, nung bumalik na siya ng US, May, you already processing the petition?
Yes.
For my K1 visa. So, yun. Pinaprocess na yun. So, while we're waiting for that, ako naman naghahanap ng work sa Bacolod. So, luckily, nakahanap ng work ang miga nyo as an auditor sa isang private company. So, at that time, si Jan naman pabalik ng Pilipinas, August 2023. Again. And then we live together. It's like 8 months na, Nina?
Yeah.
We live together 8 months already. So, mas maganda yun, guys, and advantage talaga na pumunta yung boyfriend nyo not only once but also twice para makilala nyo siya, and then you can spend together and you live together, di ba, ni? Para you know kung anong like and dislike ng isa't isa, and then, you know, yun. And then, I'm not saying that we are perfect couple, di ba, ni? Because sometimes we also have argument, a little misunderstanding. But, hindi kami yung couple na sinisettle yung hindi pagkakaunawaan kinabukasan for other day. You know what I mean? We just talk about it. It's like, kung ano yung mali ng isa, kung ano ba nagawa kung anong nagawa kong mali, kung anong nagawa niyang mali. Sinasabi namin. So, parang meron kaming, kasi sabi nga ni John, communication is the best, also for the relationship. So, communication and respect for each other. So, yun. Nag-work yun para sa amin, guys. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi sa inyo na, pero kung prepare nyo talaga, makilala pa ang isa't isa, siguro, mas mabuti na pumunta yung boyfriend nyo twice or 4 times or whatever it is para makilala nyo pa siya. Kasi nga, hindi natin maiwasan, hindi mo yung ugali ng tao. Diba? So, yun. So, nag-work yun, and now, we're really very happy. And then, bumalik ulit siya. Well, kasi nung nasa Pilipinas si Jan, hindi mo maiwasan pag pupunta ka lalo sa mall. There's a lot of people judging you, right, Amni? Especially yung kasama mong for real matangkad kag may edad na, and then you are maliit and young looking. So yun, titingnan ka talaga mula ulo hanggang talampakan. So ako kasi, guys, titingnan ko rin sila pabalik mula ulo hanggang mata. Titingnan ko sa mata kung ano yung iniisip nila, char. Hindi, inisin mo lang, lalo mong inisin. Kasi ganun ang ginagawa ko. Kasi mga negative person sila. So, hayaan mo lang sila. So, positive ka lang yan. As long as you're happy with your foreigner or you're a fam, so be it, diba? Wala ka namang sinasakang tao, wala mong sinasakang tao. So, why not? So, it's your life. So, hayaan mo sila.
Be happy.
Be happy, sabi nga ng husband ko. So, baka inggit lang sila guys. Sinasabi nga, sana all. So, I don't know why. So, it's okay. So, when John back to the US, May 2024. Pero, March approved na ng honey, no? Our petition is already approved March. So, which means pwede na ako mag-process para sa akong nga K1 visa interview sa US Embassy. So, next time, yun naman na yung ikikwento ko kung anong nangyari, anong experience ko sa US Embassy interview ko. Sa K1 visa interview ko sa US Embassy. So, for today, yun lang muna kung paano ko nakilala ang aking panakagwapo nga husband. So, kasi nga, maraming nagtatanong, how did I meet my husband? So, I told them that is a... So, yun, kinikwento ko na sa inyo. Kasi nga, sabi nga nila, mas better din na mayroon kang for a firm na recommend by common friend. You know, hindi ko naman sinasabi na don't do like dating or something, dating apps or something, kasi choice mo yun eh. So, diba? So, ako lucky ko lang kasi nga nakilala ko sa through common friend ko, si John. But, guys, si John is a widow. Before ko siya nakilala, 2 years already. 2 years widow. So, bago ko siya nakilala. So, I'm so happy and we're so grateful for each other that we meet each other. So, guys, is that for today, and halong-halong kita. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. And please, if you like this video, subscribe. Sabi nga na husband ko, tell them subscribe. So yun guys, thank you so much and halong-halong. See you dun. See you again.